Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In today's video, I will explain how to create the topics and how to list up all topics and description of the topics. So, for creating the topics, we, we will use today's session by using CMD command. In other session, I will explain how to create topics and show the list of topics which is created and description of the topic by using Docker in another session. So let's go to C drive. Previous video, I have already explained how to set up the Kafka and Zookeeper. So you can watch my previous video. So I'm going to C drive here, going to Kafka folder that was previously I have set up. So going to CMD, going to open CMD here. Let's first check the logs. So going to C drive, there is a folder name will be created when you will run the Kafka and Zookeepers as well. So going to temp folder, deleting both folders. This is the log folders. Now let's run the Kafka. So first we need to run Zookeepers. So I'm going to Win folder and go to Windows folder. Here Zookeeper server start.byte file is available. Now going to add configuration property, Zookeeper configuration property, enter it. Once Zookeeper is up, then we need to run Kafka. These information already provided in previous video. You can watch my previous video for better understanding. Let's open another command. Go to C drive, go to Kafka folder. Now let's check first Zookeeper is up or not. Yeah, Zookeeper is up. You can see the port binding. Now going to open another CMD. In here, I have already gone to Kafka folder. Now going to run Kafka. So there is a command win windows. Now Kafka server.byte. Kafka server start.byte. Now going to add configurations file server.property. Let's enter it. It is binding to the Zookeeper as well. You can see in the log. Once Zookeeper is up, then we need to open another command. So going to open another command, going to Kafka folder, cd Kafka. Now right now it is giving timeout. Let's run again. I hope it will run. If not run, then we need to clear the log and try to again. Yeah, now it is up. Wait sometimes. It is going to up. Yeah, now it is up. You can see the port number 9092. So I'm going to another CMD command. This is third CMD command, going to bin folder. These command I will also provide in the description. You can see in the description. Going to win windows, and here there is a command Kafka topic byte. So by using byte commands, you can create and see all the topics which is created. So for checking the available topics, we need to use Kafka topic dot byte hyphen hyphen list. Here we need to define the bootstrap server. Bootstrap server is nothing but our Kafka server which is running in 9092. So bootstrap server, here defining localhost because the Kafka is running in my local. Let's enter it. These commands I will provide in the description box. You can check. So I'm going to run it. Yeah, there is no topics available right now. So let's create a topics and then running this command for checking the topics. So going to bin windows Kafka topic hyphen hyphen create hyphen hyphen topic. Here we need to pass the topic name like test topic, test topic. Now going to add bootstrap server, which server we need to create this topic. So here defining bootstrap server localhost 9092. Here we need to define replication factor and partition as well. So going to define partition. Right now we are going to create only one partition, and replication factor is also one. Replication factor 1. Let's enter it. Once topic is created, partition, partition, partition. What is? I think there is a spelling. Yeah, partitions. We need to define partitions. We have used partition, but we need to define partitions. So enter it again. Here topics with a period dot period underscore could collaborate to avoid this issue. We have added the topics with underscore, so that's why this warning is coming here. Now you can see our topic is created. This message will appear in the console. So let's check topics, all the topics which is created. So going to bin windows. Now going to Kafka topic byte hyphen hyphen list and defining the boot strap server localhost 9092. Enter it. You can see all the topics. Yeah, there is only one topic I have created, so that's why it is showing only one topic. Let's create another topics and let's see again. Win Windows and Kafka topic hyphen hyphen create hyphen hyphen topic. Here we need to define topic name. So I'm going to define text 2, text 1. Now going to define bootstrap server localhost 9092. Now define partition partition size 2 here. Replication factor hyphen hyphen replication factor is 1. Enter it. Yeah, this is also created. Now let's check the all the topics which is available in Kafka. So going to use list command hyphen hyphen list hyphen hyphen bootstrap server localhost 9092. Enter it. You can see two topics will be appear. What is going on? No authorization bootstrap server. Oh, my bad. I have entered wrong command here. So we need to add the topic wait hyphen hyphen list hyphen hyphen bootstrap server localhost 9092. Enter it. Now you can see two topics will be appear. Test 1 and test topic. Let's go to describe. Let's see all the information available in the topics like how many partitions is available and how many replication has been available. So there is a command we need to use it for checking the topics in information. So going to Windows Kafka topic. Now hyphen hyphen describe is a command which needs to see all the topic and topic name like text 1 and defining the bootstrap server as well. Bootstrap server localhost colon 9092. Enter it. You can see all the information of this topic. Yeah, this is the topic name, test, topic name, partition, leader, and replication, and so on. In this topic, two partition I have created, so that's why it is showing partition 0 and partition 2. Let's check previous another topic's name, topics information. So I'm going to test topic. Enter it. You can see in this topic only one partition is available because in this topic I have created only one partition, so that's why it is showing 0. Thank you for watching my this video. These commands I will provide you in the description. You can check in the description. If you are facing any issue, you can comment me. I will provide the solution. Thank you for my watching video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's meet another video. Thank you.